Hi everyone, welcome back to MGT Tech Learning channel. My name is Makuria Gamachu, and today I'm excited to guide you through an introduction to biotechnology, which is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field that combines biology, technology, and innovation to solve real-world problems in different areas such as medicine, agriculture, and the environment. In this video, we will cover two topics, which is history of biotechnology and application of biotechnology. So let's get started. In emerging technology course module under biotechnology topics, there is an activity called activity 7.4, which starts with two questions. The first question is, what do you think biotechnology is all about? Just begin by defining the two words bio and technology. So in general, biotechnology is a combination of two words, which is bio and technology. So bio comes from Greek word bios, which means life. And this life refers to living organisms such as plants, animals, bacteria, or even cells. Technology refers to the tools, meeshaalee jechuudha. Techniques, malaalee yookiin tarsiimoo, or process, sirnaalee yookiin adeemsa that humans create and use to solve problems or achieve certain goals. So technology jechuun maal jechuudha? Meeshaalee, sirnaalee, adeemsaalee ilmi namaa uumee rakkinna jiru solve gochuudhaaf, hiikuudhaaf yookiin wanta kaayyeffate tokko galmaan ga'uudhaaf itti fayyadamu jechuudha. So when we combine the two, biotechnology means using living things and scientific techniques to develop useful products or real world problems. So here we combine the definition of two words, which is bio and technology, in one end. As a common definition of biotechnology means using living things and scientific techniques for our purpose, just to develop a useful products or solve a real world problems. So biotechnology is all about using living organisms, cells, and biological systems to develop products and technologies that improve human life and the environment. The main purpose of using technology or biotechnology is to improve human life and the environment. So the second question under this activity is, do you think biotechnology is an old science? If your answer is yes, you have to give a descriptions why, and also give some concrete examples of ancient biotechnology products. The answer is definitely yes. Biotechnology is an old science, although the term biotechnology is modern. The practice that describes biotechnology exists 1,000 years ago, but the biotechnology is a new term. The practice that describes biotechnology have existed for thousands of years, even before 6,000 before birth of Christ. Early humans unknowingly used biotechnology process for their own benefit long before understanding the science behind them. Ilmi namaa osoo hin beekiniin dura biotechnology, sirnaalee biotechnology faayidaa mataa isaatiif jecha maal gochaa ture? Fayyadamaa ture. Maaliif osoo hin beekne? Haala saayinsii isaa osoo hin beekiniin dura jechuudha. Why biotechnology? For the questions why we say biotechnology is an old science, here is a proof. Biotechnology involves using living organisms or biological systems to develop products or solve real world problems. We are using it for two reasons. The first one is to develop a product or to solve real world problems. Ancient civilizations used this principle in many traditional practices, especially in food productions, fermentation, and agriculture. So, the examples for this existence of biotechnology in the ancient time is as early 7000 BC, before Christ, birth of Christ, in ancient Mesopotamia and China, people used yeast to ferment grains into beer. Qamadii irraa biiraa hojjechuudhaaf yeastii fayyadamaa turanii jechuudha uummanni Mesopotamia fi China. Around 8,000 up to 6,000 before birth of Christ, humans began using bacteria to ferment milk, producing cheese and yogurt. Ilmi namaa bara 800 hanga 6,000 dhaloota Kiristoosiin dura maal fayyadamaa ture? Baakteeriyaa fayyadame aannan itichaa shalalaa fa'aa irraa baafataa ture jechuudha. Qotee bultoonni durii, ancient farmers selected the best plants and animals for reproductions, leading to better crops and livestock. Sanyii filatamoo fuudhanii irra deebi'anii akka horan jechuun reproduction akka godhan gochaa turanii jechuudha. Biotechnology is a branch of biology. It is a branch of biology that uses living systems, organisms, or parts of them. Even a part of an organism can be a cell, to make or improve products or process for a specific use. In general, we can say that biotechnology is basically technology based on biology. Technology that is based on what? Biology. Biotechnology works by using cells and biomolecules to create useful products that help our lives and the environment. People have used biotechnology for over 6,000 years. For example, making bread, cheese, and preserving dairy using microorganisms like yeast. So that's why we said biotechnology is an old science. These are traditional forms where living things are used in their natural or bred form. Inni kun maal jedhama? Traditional formiidhaan biotechnology haala ittiin fayyadamu jechuudha. Kana jechuun wantoota lubbuu qaban kan akkuma jiranitti in their natural form yookaan immoo haala fooyya'aa ta'een in their bred form. Bred form gaaf jennu maal jechuudha? It is a qualities or characteristics that living things has due to training, upbringing, or selective breeding, especially in animals and cultivated plants. Amala yookiin quality maaltu qaba? Wantoonni lubbuu qabaatan kun qabaachuu danda'an maalirra kan ka'e? Treeningii waan ta'eef. Treeningii fudhachuu irraan ta'uu danda'a. Treening godhameen booda yookaan immoo sanyii filatamaa walitti makuudhaan ta'uu danda'a. Modern biotechnology, however, involves changing these organisms more deeply, not using in their natural forms. A good example of modern biotechnology is genetic engineering, where scientists transfer or change genes in an organism to give it a new or better trait. New or better trait. Amala haarawaa yookiin amala fooyya'aa akka qabaatu gochuu jechuudha. Jiinii maal gochuudhaan? Jiinii tokko gara tokkotti dabarsuu yookaan jiinii keessa jiru san maal gochuudhaan? Jijjiiruudhaan. Lubbuut qabeenyiin tokko jiiniin sun itti jijjiiramee jiinii biraan kennameefi yookaan immoo jiinii san keessatti jijjiiruudhaan maal gochuu? Amala haarawaa yookiin amala fooyya'aa akka qabaatu gochuu jechuudha. Today, biotechnology includes fields like genetics, biochemistry, and molecular biology. Biotechnology is used in many areas. Let us see. In medicine, it is used to create new treatments. In medicine, to create new medicine. In agriculture, to develop genetically modified crops. Genetically modified crops to give better productions and fuels, biofuels. In industry, to produce things like paper. We use biology in industry to create paper, chemicals, textiles, and food. Now let us dive into history of biotechnology. Biotechnology is the use of living things to make useful products. The use of living organisms, cells, or things to make useful products or to solve real-world problems. Long ago, Edward Jenner used to invent vaccines. That is a medicine. And Alexander Fleming used it to discover antibiotics. This is a history. Even making beer, wine, and cheese uses biotechnology through what? Fermentations. Through fermentations. Mi'eessituu jechuun fermentation jechuun nyaata akka mi'eessu waan godhu. In 1919, a man named Carl Erich first used the word biotechnology. The word biotechnology was first used by a scientist or a man called Carl Erich in 1919. He said it means using living things to turn raw materials into products. This scientist, Carl Erich, said that biotechnology means using living things to turn raw materials into products. Today, scientists change DNA and proteins in living cells, changing sequence of DNA in living cells, in plants, in animals, to make them more useful for people. The purposes of biotechnology is to change human life in the environment. So, scientists change DNA and the proteins in living cells, plants and animals, to make them useful for people. Scientists do this by reading or sequencing DNA and changing it in labs or inside the living things. They can change the sequence of DNA in the lab or in what? In the living things. Now let us see application of biotechnology. We can use biotechnology in green biotechnology or agriculture. So biotechnology helps change the genes of living things. Biotechnology helps change genes of living things like crops, animals, plants, fungi, and bacteria to make them better for humans. These are called genetically modified organisms. For crops, scientists change their DNA to add new features. These features can help the crops resist pests, insects, and weeds. Rakkin akka dandamataniif jechuudha. Sanyii fooyya'aa gochuu midhaan. In medical biology or in medicine, biotechnology helps make a special type of insulin called humulin to treat people with diabetes. Irrana nyaataa warra qaban yaaluudhaaf jechuudha. It also helps fix genetic problems using gene therapy. It's possible to fix genetic problems in people using gene therapy. So when you say gene therapy, it is altering gene inside a person's cells to treat or prevent disease. Changing or altering genes inside person's cells to treat or prevent disease. In gene therapy, a working gene is put into the body to replace the faulty one. Gene qaama namaa keessatti isa bade san baasanii isa hojjetu itti seensisuun hin danda'ama jechuudha. Change gochuu. This can help babies or children with genetic diseases. So now let us see in aquaculture. You can use biology in aquaculture, in fisheries. Biotechnology helps to grow more and better fish. Scientists use a hormone called gonadotropin release hormone to help fish breed more easily. In environmental biotechnology or in environment, biotechnology is used to treat waste and stop pollution. Treat waste and stop pollution of the environment. Some bacteria eat the chemicals in waste and turn them into safe materials. Keemikaala xuraa'aa keessa jiran nyaachuudhaan baakteeriyoonni garamitti akka jijjiiru akka meeshaa miidhaa hin uumnetti jijjiiru. Engineers either feed these bacteria with nutrients and add new bacteria to clean up dirty soil. This method is called bioremediation. After cleaning the waste, bacteria die or go to normal. And thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment. Watch more technology videos on this channel. Follow for more educational based videos in the cyber security. And finally, anyone who come across my channel intentionally or unintentionally, please subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye for